So I had to take an Uber. I came over here to beat the rain. So I took a quick Uber ride and I beat the rain. What time is it? 4:47 p.m. So it's kind of, I guess the rain ain't so heavy right now, but I beat the rain and yeah, cuz I would have still been at the bus stop. So they caused me forced urination today. So I got some pee in my pants, and wow, I think they had one headlight. And so, like, on my way here, they had a one headlight criminal perp that had his elbow up at the window and his arm raised up, and one headlight. So sorry, like this morning's videos were compartmentalized because I was rushing. I was a little bit late and rushing to make the bus in time. So I couldn't go to the library. So that's why I I couldn't go to the library, so that's why I, did something different today. That driver in the Cadillac SUV that just passed by, he was touching his nose. So yeah. So I'm sorry about like so many small videos this morning. I was trying to catch some gang stalking and trying to catch the bus at the same time. You know, so I guess I thought it was supposed to rain all day long, but the rain had just started, and it seemed like it's getting a little heavier. It's picking up, and the wind is picking up, and so the wind is picking up, the rain is picking up, and I don't know how bad it's gonna be tonight. Um, Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Fine.
Come on.
So hi. Yeah, so I don't know how bad the rain is gonna be. So after last night's ordeal, now I have, like, between last night and today, I had to go to Publix to get a few things. Um, See, that's what they do. You got a whole family full of people in the car. So I meant to do some writing today, but perps. Like, get away from here. Like the two women. Look what color their shoes are. So yeah, I had to get a few. Well, I didn't have to, but I got a few things from Publix. Um, and I got lunch while I'm at it. Like while I was at it, you know. They had a truck that just went that way before this Audi SUV. The truck had a disabled veterans license plate. Like a truck that sit high like that, you ain't disabled. So I know it's fake. So yeah. Now I have $16.25 in the doggone bank. When I should have had, yeah, after last night, I mean, I probably should have had like $78 in the bank since last, I mean, after last, I mean, if things would have went smoothly last night, I should have had $78 in the bank, somewhere around there. Wait, am I correct? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I'm estimating about $78 I should have had. So, um, I don't know how much cash I have, but I'm pretty sure it's under, um, I guess it might be under $15. That go fake ass unlucky cab. That's the cab number that I use. The cab that I use, and I and they got proper headlights and tail lights on that Cadillac. That's the exact same fake ass unlucky cab, lucky cab. You know that exact cab I drove is busted up, scraggly, raggedy in the inside. And that was my second day. So I can't go into too much deeper. I can't go into too much deeper detail about my day because of the online perps. So well, because of the online perps, I can't go into deeper detail about my day. And people are already bad enough. Be like, you tell all your business, or you tell too much your personal business. Well, why are you prying and snooping then? You trying to control me and force me to shut up? Like, imagine an obsessed stalker that you have blocked. Try to criticize every move of your whole life. Oh, you tell all your business. Well, if that bothers you, why don't you just not subscribe to my videos, you know, and go and do something else with your life. So yeah, I guess it's just light raining right now. I don't know. I thought it was gonna start pouring. So I would have like been torn between. There she goes, O'Reilly Skanks. So yeah, it's like how the hell are people who are serving the devil, they can live a more stable life than somebody who's a believer. Like if they can keep a job for 20 years, but if you're a Christian and being persecuted, you can't even. You'd be lucky if you stay the first 5 hours. Well, that guy, he didn't seem like he's a perp. So So yeah, I wasn't sure how bad it was gonna rain. But that cancellation fee, the cancellation fee from the Uber thing, I'm glad they credited me back that $5.75. But I think that the gang stalking network manipulated an artificial. Come on, stop. I think the gang stalking network manipulated an artificial surge pricing as punishment for fighting against the gang stalking activity that I went through. You know, and it hit me with frequencies. That city produce, they participate in gang stalking. They have perked me quite a few times before. So I was torn between, you know, using the last 90 something dollars for either a hotel room or more pants for colder weather. You know, more pants for colder weather. Either one of those. I wasn't sure. As I said, I wasn't sure how bad the rain was gonna be. Like if it's a disaster tonight, then like damn, I should have needed a hotel room. But but maybe not though. Maybe not. But as I said, after dinner, that 90 something dollars could have been 78, and that still could have been just enough for a night in the hotel room. Just enough for a night in the hotel room. But they screwed that over. Or I could have bought more wind pants for cold weather, like more sweatpants for cold weather or something. I could have done either or, but I wasn't. As I said, I wasn't sure how bad the rain or the weather is supposed to be. So, um, so now after the craziness from yesterday evening, and I think they punished me. They wrongfully punished me with artificial fake surge pricing. Another one of those O'Reilly skanks. So they artificially punish me with surge pricing, with the Uber to try to get. I'm like, they were trying to leave me stranded. I guess they were trying to trap me and stuff. But it was funny because I was at the last minute. I decided to go to BJ's. At first, I wasn't planning to go there. At first, I wasn't planning to go there. You know, I was originally not planning to go there, but people try to say as a targeted individual, you gotta be unpredictable and change your routine and keep it moving. But the gang stalkers, they still capture you even though you try to change. You know, even though you try to change your routine. Oh, flies. So yeah, it's like I can't win for nothing. I have tried that changing my routine or doing switching up at the last minute, and they still capture me. Where you come from? Yeah, he's definitely a perp. Fake ass temporary license plate with a car that ain't even new, with the raggedy car. So yeah, I mean, that Will guy from BJ's, he was basically trying to make it like he couldn't override the other manager, like he couldn't override her decision, and try to make it like he has to go along with what she says and stuff. And then he tried to lie also and play the script and lie and say, well, you've been doing such and so, whatever. As I said this morning, I was told that another customer paid for my food, you know. So thank you, so even it was a couple of times, a time or two before last at BJ's, I was told that someone paid for my food. So it's been going on, like it's been going on since, like, I think it started when I was in Los Angeles, but when I would go to Tommy's Country Ham House in Greenville, South Carolina, by that time I had already had a place. I wasn't homeless no more. And I might go there on a random Saturday, and then I'd be like, well, somebody paid for your food. And so you know a secret, uh, like some homeless perps talking loud. So a secret mystery person paid for my food. I'm like, well, thank you. So I think that they just try to ruin and destroy me yesterday and try to set me up last night. And I think it was a full moon recently. And something else about that Will guy from BJ, something else I wanted, the kitchen manager, something else I wanted to say, but I forgot. So I guess I'm going to stop rambling for now. Um, um, I guess it's too late to take a nap. Another nap. It's 5:03 p.m. So I might just, I don't know if I'll do any writing this afternoon, but it looks like between tomorrow and Friday, I'm going to have to go back to panhandling and asking for help. Or I could have stretched to $90 for more meals until next week at least, you know. So I'm going to go for now. If I got any short stories um, or something to write, I guess I'll try to share with y'all, tell y'all. I'll show y'all, I guess. So I'll see y'all.